So let's start with the first topic, that is NALSA, National Legal Services Authority. So tell me, and this is the question I want to ask from each one of you. Yes, current affair का PDF मिलेगा, everybody will get. So what is the article in the Constitution which talks about can we get free? न्याय फ्री मिल सकता है क्या? कैन वी गेट फ्री जस्टिस इन द इकोनॉमी? हाँ, आर्टिकल 21, हाँ, आर्टिकल 39A, फ्री लीगल एड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो फ्री लीगल एड का मतलब क्या है? तो फ्री लीगल एड, Article 39A. So Article 39A was added to give free legal aid to people, especially from weaker section or who could not afford it. So that is where the concept of Lok Adalat started. And Lok Adalat started in 1982. और ये कहाँ start हुआ? गुजरात में. So why it is in news? It is in news because recently, Government of India has appointed a new chairperson of NALSA. So Lok Adalat, then under Legal Service Authority, a law was made in 1987. So in 1987, so NALSA, National Legal Service Authority, was created, under which will provide free legal aid through Lok Adalats. तो लोक अदालत क्या है? What is लोक अदालत? लोक अदालत is an alternative dispute resolution. Apart from court, we have an alternative system of justice delivery, wherein the small and petty cases will be taken in an informal way. So कोई छोटा जमीन का लड़ाई हो गया है, or for that matter, some family issues are there, or for that matter, some very small legal issues are there. So in that situation, going to the court involves a complex process. अभी इंडिया में कितने, what are the number of cases which are pending in India? वो बहुत पहले था. Okay, so we have the number of cases that are pending in India is around 5 crore. And I remember when I was preparing for UPSC, that was almost 13 years ago. So I used to give the same information and I used to tell that the number of cases which are pending was around 2 crore around that time. 2 crore pending cases थे. And the pace that we are delivering the justice, it will take 200 years to solve the pendency of the judiciary. So the problem remains the same. अभी क्या कोई problem होगा आप court चले जाते हो without realizing that court will take its own time. So there are two topics linked with that. So free legal aid became a DPSP. It is called Directive Principles of State Policy, which means that, हाँ, Sanjeev Khanna, yes, you are right. That is why it is in news. ठीक है निकेत? Okay, is that clear? Yeah, Pratibha. So Article 39A, तो ये न्यूज में क्यों है? Because NALSA was created under which we will give free legal aid. तो एक लोक अदालत क्रिएट की जाती है which mainly consist of the old judges, retired judges, or for that matter in that area जहां लोक अदालत हो रहा है वहां पर people who are linked with the judiciary system, तो उनको मिला के हम लोग एक लोक अदालत सिस्टम क्रिएट करते हैं wherein it acts like a court only but it is more informal. जैसे हम judges, when I go to the court, there is a formal process. You go to the court, there is a rule, regulation. Can you speak to the judge? No. Everything lawyer will do. But here, this is more informal in nature. Of course, there'll be lawyers भी होंगे, judges भी होंगे, but you can speak, you can put your concerns. So, Lok Adalat was created to resolve the pendency of cases, and it is also called as alternate dispute resolution. Okay, so alternate dispute resolution mechanism. it is being said. Now ये न्यूज में क्या है, because recently as Justice Khanna has been appointed as, yes, ये न्यूज इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है बट नालसा इज इंपॉर्टेंट, वी नीड टू नो दैट कि नालसा है क्या. सो एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन, देन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस द चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया, जो सीजीआई होते हैं, कौन है सीजीआई इस वक्त? हाँ, सीवाई डीवाई चंचूल, नॉट सीवाई, पैट्रन इन चीफ. सो सीजीआई इज द पैट्रन इन चीफ ऑफ नालसा. सो नॉर्मली जो सेकेंड मोस्ट सीनियर जज होता है, दे आर अपॉइंटेड एज एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन एंड सीजीआई इज द पैट्रन इन चीफ, मतलब पैट्रनाइज करते हैं, सपोर्ट करते हैं. सो दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, इंडिया का जुडिशियल सिस्टम कब ठीक होगा? जब हम लोग ठीक हो जाएंगे, when we start going to the court, or for that matter when so there are judicial reforms which are still under process. So we have a lot of judiciary reforms. जैसे we have a concept called All India Judicial Services. तो All India Judicial Services, just 2 दिन पहले I was interviewing a candidate, उनका interview है, and he is a pass out of National Law College, Bangalore. So I asked the same question, how do we address the issues of the 5 crore cases which are pending? So he gave a solution that, sir, we can have a all India judicial service, same as all India police service or administrative service. So there is a lot of pendency of the cases, also because judicial reforms नहीं हुए हैं. The courts are flooded with cases. अभी old law system चल रहा है. What judges do that they give, वो adjournment कर देते हैं. There is no pressure on judges to solve the issue in a time bound manner. The court will meet next month on this day. What is the logic? No logic. That is my decision. Maybe you want to give time to the other party to present their case. So such problems are there. But वो एक अलग मुद्दा है. And here the focus is to understand NALSA is a body that was created in 1987 और इसके नए अपॉइंटमेंट हुए हैं. नाउ जैसे हमारा नेशनल लेवल पे है, सिमिलरली वी हैव नालसा एट नेशनल लेवल, सिमिलरली वी हैव स्टेट लेवल ऑल्सो, एंड एट डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल वी हैव, हाँ सेम ही होता है बेटा. संजीव वर्मा जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज हैं, वो एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरपर्सन ऑफ नालसा. What are the same thing? No. So you will see fourth, fifth statement, the executive chairman is the second most. No. Let me tell you. Yes. So here, Justice Khanna has been appointed as the chairperson of the NALSA. Now, और कहाँ पर है? नहीं, एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन यही तो है. The executive chairman is second most senior judge of the Indian Supreme Court. Senior most तो CJI होगा, Chief Justice of India होगा. The senior most is Chief Justice of India, and the second, वही तो मैंने अभी बताया ना, second most senior judge जो होगा, that person will head NALSA. तो ये prelims का अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. The question can come in the prelims part. इसका headquarters दिल्ली में है, and the Chief Justice is the patron in chief. तो जैसे हमारा national level पर है, similarly we have state level. तो ये क्या करेगा? दे विल क्रिएट ऑल्टरनेटिव डिस्प्यूट रेजोल्यूशन, लोक अदालत क्रिएट करेंगे, एंड वी कैन गो इन द लोक अदालत एंड गेट आवर इशू रिजॉल्व. एक और बात है, लोक अदालत एक्ट्स एज सिमिलर टू कोर्ट एंड दे हैव द सेम पावर ऑफ द कोर्ट, एंड द डिसीजन ऑफ द लोक अदालत इज बाइंडिंग एंड फाइनल. अगर आपके कोई छोटे मोटे इशू पर उनका डिसीजन आ गया, यू कांट गो टू द कोर्ट अगेन, दैट डिसीजन इज फाइनल. सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, यू कैन राइट. यहां पर ऐड नहीं है. लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट फ्यू थिंग्स. सो लोक अदालत is a informal PD justice mechanism. It has the powers of the court. It has the powers of the court. इस पर MCQ आ चुका है लोक अदालत में. Every few year you will find MCQ, that is in PYQ. आपको previous year में इस पे क्वेश्चन मिल जाएगा. In fact, I remember when I gave prelims, there was a question on लोक अदालत, and every few year it gets repeated. So लोक अदालत, और इसको लीगल स्टेटस कहां मिलता है? It is under NALSA. So it gets legal status under NALSA. So you need to know that. Coming to Lok Adalat in principle, so Lok Adalat has a power of the civil court. आप नोट कर सकते हो, लोक अदालत हैज पावर्स ऑफ द सिविल कोर्ट. मतलब एक नॉर्मल कोर्ट का जो पावर होता है, दे हैव पावर्स ऑफ द सिविल कोर्ट. And secondly, they can specify their own procedures. Can specify their own procedures. And third is, the decisions of Lok Adalat are binding in nature. Decisions are binding in nature. You have to follow them. So normally they take small petty cases लेते हैं. Technicalities check करना पड़ेगा आपको. You can check the technicalities. Now who can get free legal aid? अब इस पर MCQ आ सकता है. The list is in front of you. Who can get free legal aid? The people who belong to lower income group people. आपका average income कम है. So you can take the free legal aid under the concept of Lok Adalat. Is that clear? Ram? Yeah. Aniket? Yeah. So you can see here the list. Who can take? अब इस पे MCQ बना दिया. The people available for free people who can take free legal aid: women and children, members of SC/ST, industrial workmen, victims of any kind of disasters, disabled people, people in custody, person whose annual income does not exceed 1 lakh. इस पर MCQ आ सकता है. If your income is less than 1 lakh, you can take free legal aid under the Lok Adalat. Supreme Court Legal Service Committee limit is 5 lakh. The victims of trafficking in human beings or beggars. So ये वाला part important है for you to note it down, because this is where UPSC can ask some questions. Okay.